Did you just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let me hear that shit.
Did you just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's Creek Diction, 1949. And then I like to go some cocaine on his bag.
Did you just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep bag.
It's chilly.
Chili. He's a dog. So I call him Chili Dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine on his bag. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
You too. On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili, sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
You too.
Right, my dog Chili Dog. He's a dog, so I call him Chili Dog. Yeah,
on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about
cocaine on his bag.